if you are experiencing no service error on your iPhone, I know it can be frustrating, especially when you rely on your device for communication. But worry not, in this video, I will show you a few steps to resolve this issue and get back to using your iPhone without interruption. The first step may seem simple, but it's often overlooked. Check if your phone is in airplane mode by looking for the airplane icon in the top right corner of the screen. If it's on, toggle it off. Even if it appears to be off, try toggling it on and off again to reset the connection. Method second, sometimes the problem lies in corrupted network settings. To fix this, go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then tap on Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will erase any stored internet and connectivity information, including paired Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi networks. For the next solution, navigate to your iPhone settings and tap on Mobile Service. Then tap on Network Selection. Ensure that the option is set to automatically select the network. If not, enable it. Next, go to Mobile Data Options and tap on Voice and Data. Experiment with different options to see if any of them restore your service. Make sure to select the available data option suitable for your area. Next solution is reinsert the SIM card. A loose or improperly placed SIM card can also cause the no service error. Remove the SIM card from your iPhone and check if it's damaged. Now reinsert it carefully. Once reinserted, check if the network signals returns. If none of the previous steps have resolved the issue, it's time to consider updating your iPhone software. Go to Settings, General, and select Software Update. If there is an update available, download and install it. Sometimes software bugs can cause connectivity issues, and updating your iOS may fix them. So that was it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.